Warning, I am not a professional. This is just a hobby of mine, and then from time to time I get distracted and do stupid things like cutting my finger off. Please don't do that. That really effing hurt.
Oh, Brian!
I'm trying to make a video! Hey everyone, it's me again. Your favorite builder. At least I hope. So... Sorry, my asthma's been bothering me for like the last couple months and I don't know why. So, decided I'm going to finish the Riviera, or at least try today. I mean, you can see the thumbnail if I did or not, okay? But, yeah. Here we go. Got my order from Iceman. You've seen some of my last videos. So I'm trying to figure out what the hell I'm doing here, because I can't even remember. Okay. Oh, what am I doing? That was gonna go on the front window. It's like, you know, like back when you were a teenager. I'm disappointed. These things did not come with subs in there. Damn it. Oh well. I will figure something out. Because I don't even think you're going to be able to see in there by the time I get it on there. So I should be all right. Yeah, so I don't know. You can see the box. Even if I painted this, yeah, I don't even know. I'm kind of thinking I just need to order the subs from Iceman. So I thought these would have had subs in it, but it doesn't. So I don't want to go into my asthma's killing me. I don't want to go into a fifth video, so I want to finish this one up on this video. So yeah, we're gonna order the subs, and it's gonna be like weeks later before I get to the end of this. So all right. Let's continue. So I got my box, glass for the box, well, the plexiglass. 2 amps, 2 6x9s, and this is one of those, like, I forgot what they call it. It's one of those mirrors, like, that you can see, like, everything. Yeah. A friend of mine had that one in one of his cars, like, way back in the day, like, 20 years ago, and it's pretty freaking cool. You don't see them anymore. So got some extra parts for some other stuff. So future builds there. And yeah. So I'm letting that sit under the fan and dry a little bit. As you can see in that, like I like to use the my normal glue that I use to just get it to hold in there. Then I go back with this Mod Podge. So a lot of people use this anymore. It dries clear. So yeah, it dries decently fast. It's not like Elmer's glue or anything either that, you know, you can still see it. Well, I mean, I guess you can still see it, but it's not it's not as bad. So yeah, you know, work on that chrome. Yeah, I'll work on that next here. That's all I do with the. That's all I'm doing with that. It's because this is still gonna be like a like a hoopty running driving car. You know. Yeah, some teenage kid that has no money that thinks it's really freaking cool is gonna be driving it. That would have been my car. So the next thing, I think I'm going to try to get that mirror in there. So, yeah, that thing right there. Figure out how I'm going to do that. Oh, look, it's a mirror. Oh, yay. So I took the 6x9s and laid them on there with that deck lid. Used a pen to draw them out. Yeah, they're not even, but you know what? This is a hoopty. It doesn't matter, okay? It doesn't matter. It's a hoopty. So I'm going to drill that out, and then, yeah, hopefully don't drill out any more than what is that outline. So, or else that would look bad. Even worse than what it's already going to look. That's the way I want it. That looks horrible. Perfect. The mirror in. Of course, I'm going to put Fosgate on the front of that, so you guys see really the back of that much, but yeah, looks freaking cool. I like it. See, I really didn't do much with the back seat because, I mean, I'm gonna have that speaker box sitting back there, right? So I'm just gonna put the 6x9s in there, get the rest of this together, and I could do something with these door panels here, weather them up or something. So I'm not gonna do much. You know how I do with the interior. It never looks like, you know, it looks like the rest of the car. It just looks like crap. Okay? That's what I do. I do crap. But you guys like it, so, you know, whatever. That's done. They were about ready to fall through, so I had to do something. Judge me all you want. It's a jalopy, so who cares? Look at that. It looks like crap. Okay? It looks horrible. Look at the dirty rims. Look at the dirty tires. God, that looks like garbage. So I got the interior partially assembled, and I'm like, man, I don't trust that on there or that on there. I mean, the glue's good, but I'm gonna have to put a little bit more reinforcement in there. So I think we're just gonna use some HVAC tape and put it along the seam there on both sides. Let that dry for a little bit first, and then I'll do that. But making this video, and yeah, I don't got that much longer to go, but I gotta wait for the damn speakers to come in. I mean, I don't know. I could put the box in there when I get when I get the seats in there. I can put the box in there and see if I can actually see the speakers back there. But I mean, I don't know about that. I just really don't want to. Kind of don't want to do that. I'd rather wait till the speakers come in. But I want to see if you can actually see inside there. And I'm kind of thinking now that with that plexiglass on there, you won't be able to see it. I'm hoping. So we'll see. You see the thumbnail if it's done or not, okay? I don't know. Did I do it? Was I able to get it? I don't know. I'm just trying to make just one more video on this car so you don't have to watch a fifth one, because I'm already on number 4, I think. I don't even know. I have to check. You're not going to see it, okay? You're lucky I'm even showing it to you. Just whatever. Don't judge me. See that? Everything is fine. That actually looks kind of cool. This is just going to be a jalopy. I love it. Freaking love it. Build it how you want it, okay? You're supposed to have fun. I'm having fun. Ugh. I'm not even going to show you what I did to that steering column. I had just used a piece of styrene because I could not find a steering column. So, yeah, it's missing the turn signal blinker. I know, whatever. All right. It's obviously a stick shift now. Speaker box is going to have to go that way because if I put it this way, it's kind of pointless. So, I'm going to have that thing pointed up. And once all this dries, then we're going to get it in there. and see what that looks like. Yeah, I think that's gonna look way better in there. So, yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do now. So we're gonna save that for another build. Get some subs ordered for that. And I'm gonna go with that thing in there. Get off of there. Yeah, that's just gonna look better. Try and, yeah, I might just leave the amps off now. I don't know. All right, so finish her. That was stupid. I'm trying too hard. Here we go. There we go. Done. I was gonna maybe do a couple more things on it, but I don't know. I think it looks okay. The speaker box in there looks pretty cool. Yeah, it's just a hoopty, a jalopy, like the teenager's car that thinks it's really freaking cool. And that's a system in the back, and yeah, that was, yeah. I don't know who I'm referring to there, but yeah, done. So that's it for that build. Only took 4 episodes to get that thing done. But that's the way it's going to be throughout the summer because, you know, I have this thing called a job. So, yeah, I still have to work. I'm not retired. And like some of you guys out there, okay? I still have to work. Anyways, asthma sucks. Yeah. On to the next one, I guess. I don't know. So, have a good one. See you next video. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you like the channel, please go subscribe. Or if you like more videos like this, go watch this playlist. Or you can go check out one of these other videos over here. Yeah, thank you.
Are you about finished with your idiotic YouTube video?
Will you leave me the hell alone?